Okay, so tuone namna ya kutengeneza notification dialog kwenye login page. For example, when I click login, okay, hii notification dialog and username and password are required. Okay, so for example, I enter username Alice and password 1234, and then I click login. Okay, so welcome Alice in notification dialog. So hii ni open source library, unaweza kaingia Google ka download ya sweetalert. Okay, so utakuja katika my computer local disk C, then XAMPP, htdocs. Okay, so utatengeneza a new directory, right click, then choose new folder. So folder name will be project. Okay, folder name is project, then double click project, utakuja kwenye e address bar. Okay, so uta select address bar, then to write cmd, and then to click enter, then command prompt will be opened. So kwenye command prompt tutaandika code, so code, then touch space, tutaandika dot. Okay, by then to click enter. So hapo nimefungua Visual Studio Code. Okay, so Visual Studio Code imekuwa opened and my directory projects hiyo hapo. When I expand, okay, ndani ya project, of course ni empty project. So ndani ya hii project inaweza new directory, so new folder. And new folder name will be sweetalert. Okay, by then click enter. Okay, so ndani ya sweetalert humu I just kutengeneza a new PHP file. Okay, so nita select hapa kwenye new file. Okay, then file name will be index, the file extension will be .php. After then ta click enter to execute. Okay, so hii ni index.php na hii ni project directory inaitwa sweetalert. So nikija katika my project, okay, so you can see sweetalert. Okay, this is htdocs, na kwenye htdocs kuna project, then kuna sweetalert, then kuna index.php. Okay, so now Google ku download a library ya sweetalert. So nitakuja kwenye search engine. Okay, so nitaandika sweetalert, okay, download library sweetalert, download library, then click enter to execute. So leo kwenye SourceForge download sweetalert, ta click kwenye SourceForge. Okay, after then ta wait a moment kipindi Google ina open. Okay, okay, so now nitakuja kubonyeza download. Okay, so now sweetalert library inakuwa downloaded kama unavyoona. Okay, so your download will start shortly. Okay, so you can see hello. Okay, and another step is designing HTML form. Okay, so now delete script, then create HTML form and delete heading 1. Okay, so now I just create a div. Okay, so open a tag, then it's div class equal to container. Okay, container, let's put margin top, empty is just a 3. Okay, after then just close. Okay, another step is creating a row. So div class is row, just copy it, div class is row. So div class equal to will be a div class equal to row, then just close it, just copy. Okay, so div class will be row. Okay, then justify content center, justify content, and then equal to center. Okay, so another thing is create div class equal to column. Okay, so now div class, just indent. Okay, so div class equal to column, div class equal to col means column, then column is median, is equal to 5. Okay, and margin top empty equal to 4. Okay, after then we create a card, then div class equal to card or card, then card we just put a shadow. Okay, div class card and card is shadow. Okay, just indent. Another thing is to create a div class body. Okay, so now inside you just paste it. Okay, so div class equal to card, then hyphen, then body. body. Okay, so indent it. Okay, so inside div class shadow, then margin top, or just add the attribute empty equal to 3 and pi. Okay, pi equal to again 3. Okay, so inside our board here we create an HTML form. So form action equal to remaining the same page apple. Then we have two methods, get and post. Okay, so now method will be, we just send post request. Okay, send post request when form is loading. Okay, after creating form. Okay, so now we create input field. So input field, first one will be for example heading 1 here, login h1. Okay, so h1 will be login. Okay, so when I refresh, I save changes in the I will check output, for example. Okay, you can see login. Okay, login. Okay, again just create here our div class here form. So yes, there. So paste it. So div class will be a form group. So just write form group, a form, then hyphen, and then group. Okay. So margin top equal to empty 4. Margin top equal to 4. Okay. So again close. Then hapa naandika input type. Input type will be, for example, text for username. Okay, and name is name equal to username. Okay, okay, name will be a username, and just put placeholder. Okay, placeholder equal to username. Placeholder equal to username, and then we put here class. Class will be form control, and then class is form control, then class equal to, okay, I just put it form hyphen control. Okay, okay, so just save changes and come to refresh output, save changes. Okay, we can see username. Okay, so copy the same code and come to duplicate. Okay, so this one will be input type will be a password. Okay, input type will be a password, and name will be a password. Okay, and placeholder will be a password again, and that's like password. Okay, and class remains the same, form control. Okay, when I save changes and then come to refresh the output. Okay, so then see in password. Okay, so now we create a button. Okay, so just create a button. Okay, so our button will be submit button. Our button will be submit button. So just write button. Okay, button type. Okay, button type, just write here submit. Okay, submit button, sorry. Button type will be submit, and then name, let's try with process name kwenye PHP, name will be submit. Okay, and again just put a class equal to just put btn, just put a shadow. Okay, and then leave a space, then button secondary. Okay, btn hyphen secondary. Okay, btn secondary. So just put pixels equal to 4. Just put pixels equal to 4, and margin top empty equal to 2, and of course enough. Okay, so just we close the button. Okay, just close it button. Okay, so just with quotation. Okay, so now here we write login. Okay, so save changes and come to refreshing output. You can see login. So tuna expand button yetu ya login hapo, width equal to 100. Okay, 100, width equal to 100. When you come to refresh, okay, so you can see now it looks so nice. Okay, so just come to copy. Okay, so after login, okay, you have to copy a div class here, just select and pick copy. Then after login, of course here, we just write here paragraph here. So we put now delete input type text. Okay, then we just write a p means paragraph, then just paragraph class. Okay, then it will be a text secondary. Okay, text secondary. Then just write help and support. For example, my phone number. Okay, admin. Okay, for example. Okay, now save changes and come to refresh and output. Okay, refresh it. Okay, so help support, click admin. When you click login, so we need to display a sweetalert and perform a validation. When you click login, display notification dialog na kufanya validation. Okay, okay, so now takuja chini huku after HTML. Okay, so now write PHP script. So file to receive a referring extension is .php. So now write PHP script. Okay, okay, so now open PHP tag. Of course is PHP. Okay, is that PHP, and come to close a PHP close. Okay, so here we take an event ni click. So event kwenye button imekuwa click, the name is submit. So that's right. If okay is set, okay, now choose is set method. Okay, if is set, then variable underscore post. Okay, wanatumia post kwa sababu form action is post. Form method is post. So if method is post, now tuna capture event ilikuwa take place kwenye button ya submit. So button name is submit and form imekuwa submitted kwa method ya post. So form method is post and button name is submit. So now if is set post method, form method is post, and now we put a button name. Button name is submit. Okay, so submit, we write here submit. Okay, we track event ambayo imekuwa. Okay, if is that, and write inside. Okay, so now we'll create a variable for username, password. Okay, name ya username. Okay, input type text name username, and input type password name is password. Okay, so tengeneza variable hapa. So variable username, okay, equal to, for now is null as well. Just want to write null. Okay, is null. Again, variable password, okay, is null. So now we process our variable. So if is set, okay, built-in method, so the variable underscore post. Okay, then inside take the name, input type is text, and name is username. So just copy it, username as the name. Okay, so come to paste. Okay, okay, so now copy the same code, come to duplicate. Okay, duplicate. Then if we set now is password, and input type is password, name is password. So copy name, and copy name, and we una duplicate kwenye username. So paste is password. Okay, so if set variable is set post username, so what to do? Then inside implementable, and again this one inside. Okay, so now just variable underscore post. Okay, okay, now variable username, sorry, just variable username, okay, equal to variable underscore post. Then we capture username. Again we capture username. capture again the username. So input type is text, name is username. Again we capture username. Okay. After then we terminate, and then we copy the same code and come to duplicate. Okay. If we set variable password, then variable password is equal to, so now remove it, equal to md, of course message digest5. Okay, so it's built-in method. So inside we just paste it and copy. Okay, it's correct. Okay, so now variable underscore post. Okay, post, then just write a password. After then come to terminate. Okay, so now here we just perform some sort of validation, let's say comment. Okay, now so if empty, no data, if empty, then is built-in method variable username. Okay, username if is empty, or just put it. Okay, variable password is empty. So what to do? Then inside implement a body. For example, now we put a simple alert, so just put echo, then you put double quotation. Okay, then terminate. Inside echo, okay, inside the echo here, just write a script. Okay, JavaScript. So JavaScript inside the PHP. So script. Okay, then this is a script. Okay, then inside the script just write alert, then simple alert, then enter a username. So kwa sababu tumetumia double quotes kwenye PHP, so inside tunatumia single quote. So username, okay, and password are required. Okay, just put it like that. If is empty. After then we come to terminate, save changes. Okay, come to refresh our page. Okay, so now refresh page. Okay, so now I leave empty, login. Okay, does not function. Okay, yes, does not function. Okay, if username. Okay, sorry. Okay, so just remove it. So hapa just kuandika all hapa. Okay, sorry. All. So all tunaiwrite hapa. Yes. All empty again. Okay, all empty again. So variable password. Okay. So now save changes and come to refresh output. Refresh. Okay, now you can see username and password are required. Okay, so it is good. So hapa tunaweka swal. Okay, so inside the script tuna write a swal. Okay, how to write a swal? So come to sweetalert library and call sweetalert, and you can see swal. So we copy swal hapo. Okay, copy it. Okay, come to project, then paste it. Swal. Cool. Remove double quote and press single quote. Okay, and double quote again. Just remove it. Post single quote and this one and this one. Okay. So remove icon success and put icon warning or icon error. Okay, icon error. So title, changes the title name and write username and password are required. Okay, this will be title. Of course, title let's put here. So just title to here and cut and paste it. And then title will be notification. Okay, so save changes, come to refresh and output project. Okay, so when I click OK, username and password are required and it's not notification. Okay, so assume username and password are not empty. Okay, what to do? So else now I put a so else if, just put else if username equal to Alice, for example, and we put this one, and double password, so variable password equal to, in assignment tunapata relation operator equal to, for example, 1 2 3 4. If username and password are correct, then we copy echo and the script. Okay, so notification will be success, changing success, and then just we write welcome whom. So fanya concatenation, just put it, then put a dot, inside just put a variable username, so welcome, then leave a space. So save changes and come to refresh any output. Output. So username is Alice and password is 1 2 3 4, and click login. There is a mistake here. Let's start with troubleshoot mistake here. So echo welcome, it is correct. As if username equal to Alice and password equal to 1 2 3 4. So so now guys, of course inafanya kazi kwenye database ya MySQL. So now we connect kwenye database ya MySQL na shindo ku resolve hii function. So if so, just remove it and remove it. So now come to refresh and come to check any output. So notification welcome Alice. Welcome Alice.